Hello friends, in today's video I will be telling you that how to plot functions which are depending on more than one variable. That means we wanted to plot surface plots. So for that matter you will be requiring uh, NumPy as well as Pylab. So first thing first, we'll be importing NumPy as well as Pylab. Now once that has been done, then we will be creating arrays for x and y. Let's say x is varying from -5 to 5 as well as y is varying from -5 to 5. And for that, there's an inbuilt function known as linspace. So I'll be using that linspace. And let's say it is varying from -5 to 5. And let us divide the domain into 50 equal parts, not 50 points in between -5 to 5. And the same for y as well. So I'll be copying this. Now this is done. So lin space a. Okay. Now we have to create a mesh grid out of these numbers, that is x and y's. So there's an inbuilt function called as mesh grid, which will be doing the purpose for us. So we'll be supplying this x and y, and this will return a tuple. So let us write x comma y is equal to this. Now this is an uppercase and this is lowercase, and as you know that Python distinguish these. So these variables are different, these variables will be different. So now our mesh coordinates are ready. Next task is to write the function for this. So let's say I'm using def, you can use lambda as well. So function which is accepting x and y's, and it is returning. First we'll be solving this. Z is equal to x square plus y square. So let me write it correctly. Z is equal to this. So this is the function I'm interested in. So it will be returning x square plus y square. Now Z is assigned function calling and passing those x and y's, which are nothing but the coordinates of our mesh grid. So x and y. This is done. Now we will be first we'll be creating an axis. So let's say axis, this is the function, and as this surface plot is going to be three-dimensional, so the projection will be three-dimensional. Once this is done, you will be able to see that now this is your x, this is your y, and this is your z. So here in the axis, what we'll do is we'll use a method which will be creating that plot. So the method is plot surface, and we'll be passing this x and y and then the function z. So this will return you a beautiful surface plot. Now if you want to change the map of the color, so cmap jet, there are so many numbers, you can check them out. So this is x, this is y, and that is how the function is varying. Z is varying with respect to x and y. Now let us plot this beautiful function. So it is sine of square root of x square plus y square by square root of x square plus y square. So let us say a is equal to x square plus y square, and then take this square root of it and then return sine of a divided by a. Now that is what it will look like. And if you want to see it more beautiful, means if you do what, if you increase the domain length, that is x and y, then you'll be able to see it as a beautiful wave going out and damping up and so on. So let us increase it from let's say -15 to 15, and again run everything. Now if you look, now that is what very beautiful surface plot. So in this particular video you have learned that how to use NumPy and Pylab to plot the functions of which are depending on multiple variables. So in this video, till this point only, thank you very much for watching.